one 7 marks question, most important problem, mathematics 2b, third chapter, parabola, exercise 3a, third bit, second problem, page number 117 in textbook. Prove that the area of the triangle inscribed in the parabola y square is equal to 4ax is 1 by 8a mod of y1 minus y2 into y2 minus y3 into y3 minus y1 square units, where y1 comma y2 comma y3 are the ordinates of its vertices. Here we prove that the area of the triangle inscribed the parabola y square is equal to 4ax is 1 by 8a mod of y1 minus y2 into y2 minus y3 into y3 minus y1. Here given equation of the parabola. Equation of the parabola. Equation of the parabola is y square is equal to 4ax. Y square is equal to 4ax. Here we draw the parabola diagram. This is the x-axis, this is the y-axis, this is the parabola, this is the directrix L, this is the Z, this is the A. Here this is the first point P, second point Q, third point R. Let Px1 comma y1 be the first point, Q x2 comma y2 be the second point, or x3 comma y3 be the third point. Here y1 comma y2 comma y3 are the ordinates of a points p, q and r. Here the line joining pq, qr and pr. The line joining pq, qr and pr. Here formed triangle PQR formed by the 3 points PQR. Here PQR is the triangle. Here a triangle is formed, inscribe the parabola y square is equal to 4ax. Inscribe the parabola y square is equal to 4ax. Here we prove that the area of the triangle PQR is equal to 1 by 8a mod of y1 minus y2 into y2 minus y3 into y3 minus y1. Here the points, let P point Px1 comma y1 is equal to at1 square comma 2at1, q x2 comma y2 is equal to at2 square comma 2at2, or x3 comma y3 is equal to at3 square comma 2at3. Here at square comma 2at is the parametric equations of the parabola y square is equal to 4ax. So here first point Px1 y1 is equal to first point at1 square comma 2at1, second point x2 y2, this is the second point, so at2 square comma 2at2, third point or x3 y3 is equal to at3 square comma 2at3 are the 3 points. Here the area of the triangle formed by the 3 points x1 y1, x2 y2 and x3 y3 is the area of the triangle PQR is equal to the area of the triangle formed by the 3 points is equal to 1 by 2 mod of x1 y1 1 x2 y2 1 x3 y3 1 mod the area of the triangle formed by the 3 points. First point x1 y1, second point x2 y2, third point x3 y3 is of mod of x1 y1 1, x2 y2 1, x3 y3 1 of mod x1 at1 square y1 2at1 1 x2 at2 square y2 2at2 1 x3 8t3 square y3 2at3 1. This is the area of the triangle. This is the first row, this is the second row, this is the first third row, row 1, row 2, row 3. This is the first column C1, this is the second column C2, this is the third column C3. This is the rows, this is the columns. First of all, common into first column A common. Common into first column A. Again common into second column 2A common. Common into first column A, second column 2A. 1 by 2 into A into 2A. Mod of here A common. T1 square T1 1. Here common A. T2 square T2 1. Here A common. T3 square here 2A common. T3 1 mod. Here 2 to cancel. R1 tends to R1 minus R3. Again R2 tends to R2 minus R3. A into A square mod of R1 tends to R1 minus R3. R1 T1 square minus R3 T3 square. R1 T1 R3 T3 1 minus 1. R2 tends to R2 minus R3. R2 T2 square R3 T3 square. Here T2 minus T3 1 minus 1 T3 square T3 1 mod. Here A square into A square minus B square. A square minus B square is equal to A plus B into A minus B. Here T1 minus T3 1 minus 1 0. A square minus B square. A plus B into A minus B. Again T2 minus T3 1 minus 1 0. T3 square T3 1 mod. Common into first row T1 minus T3. Again common into second row T2 minus T3. Common into first row T1 minus T3. Common into second row T2 minus T3. A square mod. A square into common into first row T1 minus T3. Second row T2 minus T3 mod. Here T1 plus T3. Here 1 0. Here T2 plus T3 1 0. T3 square T3 1. Common into first row T1 minus T3. Common into second row T2 minus T3. Here R1 tends to R1 minus R2. R1 tends to R1 minus R2. A square into T1 minus T3 into T2 minus T3 into mod of T1 plus T3 R1 minus R2 means minus T2 minus T3. Here 1 minus 1 0. Next to T2 plus T3 1 0. T3 square T3 1. A square into T1 minus T3 into T2 minus T3 mod of T3 get cancel. T1 minus T2 1 minus 1 0 0. T2 plus T3 1 0. T3 square T3 1. Expanding the determinant. A square into T1 minus T3 T2 minus T3 into T1 minus T2 into 1 minus 1 into 1 minus 0 into T3 0 1 minus 0. Here A square into T1 minus T3 T2 minus T3 into T1 minus T2 is the area of the triangle. Write down orderly. T1 minus T2 into T2 minus T3. Here common minus T3 minus T1. T1 minus T2, T2 minus T3, here minus common, T3 minus T1. Mod minus means plus. Here A square into T1 minus T2 into T2 minus T3 into T3 minus T1. A square into multiply divided with 2A and 2A into mod of T1 minus T2 T2 minus T3 T3 minus T1. Here A square ki A get cancel. 1 by 2 into 2 4 4 into 2A 8A mod of multiply with 2A first term 2A T1 minus 2A T2 multiply 2A second term 2A T2 minus 2A T3 multiply 2A third term 2A T3 minus 2A T1 1 by 8A into mod of 1 by 8A into mod of 2A T1 is equal to Y1 2A T2 is equal to Y2. So Y1 minus Y2 2A T2 is equal to Y2 2A T3 equal to Y3 2A T3 equal to Y3 2A T1 is equal to Y1. This is the area of the triangle formed by the 3 points. 1 by 8A mod of Y1 minus Y2 into Y2 minus Y3 into Y3 minus Y1. This is the probe. Here we prove that area of the triangle inscribe the parabola y square is equal to 4ax is 1 by 8a mod of y1 minus y2 into y2 minus y3 into y3 minus y1. Most important problem.